Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a tuna tortilla sandwich. First, let's gather all the fresh ingredients you'll need for this simple and satisfying meal. You'll want to have a can of your favorite tuna, some soft tortillas, and a good quality mayonnaise on hand. Don't forget crisp lettuce and ripe tomatoes to add that essential crunch and fresh flavor. Preparing your workspace now will make the assembly process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create our flavorful tuna salad filling. Begin by thoroughly draining 1 can of tuna to remove any excess liquid. In a bowl, combine the drained tuna with 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise. For a delightful crunch, stir in about 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery. Finish by seasoning your mixture with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper, adjusting to your personal taste. With your tuna salad ready, it's time to assemble your delicious tortilla sandwich. Lay 1 soft tortilla flat on a clean, dry surface. Carefully spread a thin, even layer of your prepared tuna salad across the entire tortilla, leaving a small border. Next, arrange a few fresh lettuce leaves over the tuna. Finally, add 2 slices of ripe, juicy tomato for an extra burst of flavor and color. The final step is to roll and serve your tuna tortilla sandwich. Starting from one edge, carefully and tightly roll the tortilla, ensuring all the delicious filling stays inside. Once rolled, you can cut the tortilla in half diagonally for an appealing presentation. Serve your fresh tuna tortilla sandwich immediately to enjoy its best taste and texture. It pairs wonderfully with a side of fresh fruit or some crispy chips.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.